my doves, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Aphrodite by Olympia. And if you're new here, my name's Olympia and I do videos on beauty and makeup that's available in Australia for deeper skin tones. Now this is video number 2 of 6 of the designer brand's ICU 6 shade eyeshadow palette series, where I will also include a giveaway. So in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I created this look here. It is an amazing burnt orange fiery eyeshadow look. I absolutely love it. It's mostly matte. It was kind of easy to do, a little bit of finessing there just to make sure it's all blended and seamless, but I used the Fire Up color story of the designer brand's ICU 6 shade eyeshadow palette. I'll be doing a video on all of them. This is the second one in the series. Please look out for the details about the giveaway down in my description, and if you want more specific details about the actual giveaway itself, make sure you check out the first video, which was the one that I used for the KAH-KEEN. So just check that out guys, and I will see you real soon. Alright guys, so before we start, just a little bit on my face. I currently have the designer brand's Brow Master Cream Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate in my brows at the moment, and I've concealed with the ColourPop concealer in the shade 46 Dark. So I'm just gonna pat that down a little bit more, and we're gonna start off in this shade here. I'm gonna go for a more I want to say everyday, but it's a little bit more dramatic than that, but then it's still really simple. We're just gonna go in the transition with that orange. It's very subtle on me. I'm just gonna build that up to the intensity that I want. Now with a crease brush, this is the Marc Jacobs, the crease brush. I'm gonna go into that cranberry red color. It does have a little bit of some pink, very fine pink glitter in it as well. Tap off the excess. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that oil over the lid as well. Oh, this color is beautiful. Alright, going back into that orange color. And I'm just gonna put that back into the crease slash transition. Okay, I'm gonna try something here. It might not work, but I just want to create some depth, and I'm gonna do that using this chocolate brown. So this chocolate brown is not very dark, but it might be dark on you. On my complexion, it's not overly dark. Just gonna put it in the crease there. I don't want it to travel very far. And I'm using a Essa Creolon kind of detailing brush. And I'm just gonna wing that out. I wanna keep dusting off the excess because we don't want it traveling. I only want it where I placed it down. Now I want to bring some of that red back into it, so I'm going to go into that cranberry shade. And I'm actually going to soften that out a little bit. I want to look like the red's going deeper, and then you've just got that orange in the background. I'm going to put a little bit more orange just here. Let's do the same for the other side. Alright, so to intensify that red, I've just wet the brush. Alright, so just on the inner corner, just went in with that metallic shade there, because I feel like this needs a little bit of a pop. And also going in with that lightest metallic shade as well, just on top. Now we're going to go in with liner and lashes. So I'm using the designer brand's cream gel liner in the color black, and I'm using the Zoeva Wing Liner 317 brush. Okay, that's the liner, nice and bold. I'm gonna go ahead and put some designer brands lashes on. Here are the lashes in the style Fierce. Alright, gonna go back in and quickly redo the liner. Okay, so that's most of the eyes done. I'm gonna zoom you guys out just a tad and we're gonna go into the base. I'm actually going to use Magical Moringa. If I can open it. There we go. I'm going to use Magical Moringa by Lush around my nose. Yes. And then I'm going to use the designer brand's Skin Quencher Primer and Moisturiser that's got hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, vitamin C and E, and this is really good to moisturize. Because I got dry, well, combo oily skin, oily in the center T-zone, and I'm basically normal to dry everywhere else. Gonna let that sit for a little bit. Then we're gonna go into the designer brand's 24-hour long wear foundation. This is my shade Deep Honey. This is the shade that I helped designer brands create. I'm gonna put that everywhere. I'm actually gonna put it on my brush. This is the Zoeva 104 Buffer. It's a really good foundation brush. Gonna do a little tiny bit more for this side. Perfect. That looks so good. Oh, I love this foundation. Okay, I'm gonna go do my concealer and powder off camera because, well, yeah, Designer Brands hasn't got anything in my shade, but I'm sure they're working on something, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I went ahead and did put some bronzer as well, a little bit of some contour. I'm just gonna go now into the Designer Brands Brilliant Skin Luminizing Blush and Duo. We're going to put this on my cheeks, okay? Just gonna go really lightly because it picks up quite a bit. Just like that. I just want a hint, just a hint. All right, let's do highlighter using the Sigma tapered highlighter brush. All right, I know I look a little crazy. Little lip liner. And we're gonna put Stay Put on. Long Wear Matte Lip Color. Alright, zoom you guys in and we're going to finish off the under eye. I'm just going to put that red for the under eye. That's basically it. So I've got the Designer Brands Pigment Plus Water Resistant Retractable Eyeliner in the color Berry Tart. I'm going to put this into the waterline. Just like that. I'm going to add a tiny bit of that orange as well. Mascara. This is the Bad Girl Bang. I love it for my bottom lash line. It's so good. Alright guys, that is the completed look. As you can see, it is a very orange, smoky look. I absolutely live for it. I think it's so cute. It's probably my favorite so far. I mean, I've done only 2 looks, so realistically, yeah, it's just better than the last one, in my opinion. I think this kind of color scheme suits my complexion so much better. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Did you catch the secret word? Did you? Did you catch it? Now, make sure you go see the first video in this series to catch the first part of the secret sentence and enter the giveaway. It's a massive giveaway of all Designer Brands products. It's anywhere from eyeshadows to lip glosses and lipsticks to basically a full face. So I'll be including kind of a bit better picture of what the actual giveaways will be. Check out my Instagram if you want to see what's in the giveaway, but in the next coming videos I'll definitely be showing you what's in the giveaway once I receive them. I haven't got everything yet. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.